everyone, this is Steven. My 606 project is deep learning on stock pricing data. My project is about extracting any useful features from the historical stock data and try to draw a relationship between different market sectors. For example, would financial sector performance affect technology or energy sector's performance at the same day? And I'm trying to build a deep learning model with different sets of machine learning models to produce a good predicting or forecasting tools for investors or traders. The reason I'm doing this project is stock market generates tons of data every day, and I'm trying to see if there's any educational use of this data, and I'm trying to find out if I could turn this forecasting problem into a search problem. For example, once they forecast a price based on historical data or previous data, can it become a search problem that helps to make decisions using the machine? The types of data I'm using is floats, and the format of the data has the open price, the high price, the low price, and the closing price of the stocks, and volumes of the day and number of the trade during the hours. I collect this data from the website, from this displayed on this slide. So I have validated my idea with a little bit of high level research. For example, most of the, from what I know, most of the traditional way to analyze stock is using trend analysis method like statistic stat approach to understand what is going on in the future based on the past numbers. So it could be integrated with the help of machine learning. And secondly, my AI professor, Dr. Mackenzie, she's actually working on a stock trading bot. And thirdly, there's people actually pay attention to this type of data, and there was a competition on Kaggle before. And finally, I'm looking for an effective way to make money, hopefully. In terms of the project implementations, I'm trying to use a deep learning framework to try to have a set of feature extraction algorithm such as LSTM or CNN to build a pipeline to extract features. And then I would benchmark my model with some type of performance matrix that I have to look into research papers later on during phase 2. And finally, based on what I get from the benchmark, I would try to see what affects the overall performance in terms of the use of different activation functions like ReLU versus 10, and then how numbers of layers or how random dropouts of neurons could affect the overall performance. And then I will look into what type of values or what sort of factors or math factors could affect affect losing the losing functions, like when they're minimizing the loss or maximizing the gain. And for more future studies, I would try to see in a particular year of the market, for example, during the election years, would the price, I mean the stock market performs the same way throughout different every 4 years, and try to find out any patterns before any economic crisis. I mean, and so on.